Hi, I'm Angela from Doculabs. I'd like to demonstrate our process migration accelerator that assists with analyzing and migrating hundreds of processes trapped in legacy workflow and case management tools such as older IBM, Pega, and internally developed platforms. Often, clients are faced with platform upgrades like moving to the cloud, which cost millions of dollars. These like-for-like migrations add no additional capabilities, which is extremely frustrating for business sponsors. With our solution, clients now have the opportunity to, first, only migrate those processes that provide business value while retiring those that are dormant. Second, focus their investments to improve that subset of processes during the migration and provide significant impact on business operation. We've designed the solution with 6 components. The example I'll be using is the change of account process at a financial services firm. We'll look at the banking and brokerage versions of the process to look for improvement and/or consolidation opportunities. In the first step, we harvest data from the legacy system, in this case, Pega. Doculabs has built a connector to access the proprietary Pega tables. We select the fields we want, specifically activity history, and we move the data into Celonis. We start by selecting the account change process in Pega we want to pull data from. Then we select the fields we want. What you see here is the activity data parsed out of the Pega database. By using our custom-built connector for Pega, we can select the specific fields and/or cases we are interested in and extract that data to be loaded into Celonis. In step 2, we use Celonis to generate process visualizations. In this case, we are able to use the activity data from 21,000 cases to generate a process map with all of the different paths a case might follow. In the case of the banking account change process, we are generating a number of key metrics, such as cost, rework, and duration, which you see right here in the middle. As you can see, our client was focused on rework late in the case lifecycle and death events, as both have significant impact on customer satisfaction, and the percentages are very low. On the right, we have the 5 key statistics we use to generate an automated recommendation for the migration. Based on our experience assessing processes over the years, we've developed thresholds to guide a client through the migration effort. Green is good, red is bad. Our formula incorporates variation, complexity, latency, rework, and automation into an overall health index. In the case of the banking account change process, the recommendation is to revise the process, which means it's healthy enough to move as is with some moderate changes. When we look at the brokerage account change process, we see a different disposition. In this case, the process is not healthy and re-engineering is recommended. The next analysis shows a visual side-by-side comparison of the processes. Here, we see that the processes are similar and should be considered for consolidation. Yet, taken with the information in the previous analysis, i.e., the banking process is healthy and brokerage is not, it is likely that we migrate just the banking process to the new system as the base case, and then add banking and brokerage specific sub-processes, resulting in lower migration costs and more standardization. In step 4, we will generate business process models to import into the target process automation environment, such as Pega, Appian, or Camunda. In this example, we have the banking account change process, which we can make changes to in Celonis if necessary before exporting. Once the process has been implemented, in step 5, we continue to leverage process mining to drive continuous improvement. For example, looking at cycle times 30 days after implementation. As you see, cycle times have dropped from 3 days to 2 days. The final step in our methodology is facilitating program management. In this case, many of our clients leverage tools like Jira to manage large migrations using agile methods. Here, you see the backlog of processes working their way through the migration effort, some in initial analysis, some in testing within the target platform, others in production. As expected, there is also a release schedule to coordinate all of the different resources needed to complete the migration. To wrap up, you've seen the Doculabs process migration solution. We've designed the solution to reduce the total number of processes that need to be migrated by retiring the dormant or ineffective workflows, quickly identify healthy processes that should be moved as is, and enable process optimization and consolidation during the migration process. This is in stark contrast to moving everything like for like, and then hoping someday you will clean up the mess. It is also more cost effective. If you would like a demonstration, please contact Doculabs directly. Thank you.